Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix washed out colors in your OBS recordings. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the main menu bar. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Settings. This will open a new window where you can access all of OBS's configuration options. In the Settings window, look at the left panel where you'll find various categories listed vertically. Click on Advanced to access the more technical settings that control how OBS handles your video output. These settings are crucial for ensuring your recordings maintain proper color accuracy and visual quality. Now, on the right side of the Advanced Settings page, locate the section labeled Color. Right beside this label, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Full from the available options. This setting ensures that OBS uses the full color range instead of a limited range, which is often the main culprit behind washed-out recordings. After making this selection, click Apply to save the change, and then click OK to close the settings window. Next, navigate to the bottom left section of the OBS interface where you'll find your Sources panel. This panel displays all the active sources in your current scene. Right-click on Display Capture to bring up a context menu, and then select Properties from the list. In the Properties window that appears, you'll see several options for configuring your display capture. Check the box beside Force SDR and click OK. This option forces OBS to capture in standard dynamic range, which can help prevent color distortion in your recordings. Now right-click on Display Capture again to bring up the context menu once more. This time select Filters from the options. This opens the Filters window where you can apply various visual adjustments to your capture source. On the left side of the Filters window, click the plus sign to add a new filter. From the list that appears, select Color Correction and click OK. This filter gives you granular control over how colors appear in your recordings. Once the color correction filter is added, you'll see several adjustment options appear, including gamma, contrast, brightness, saturation, hue shift, and opacity. Each of these parameters has its own slider that you can adjust to fine-tune your colors. Take your time experimenting with these sliders until your display looks natural and vibrant rather than washed out. You can preview the changes in real time, so adjust each setting until you achieve the color balance you're looking for. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Close to exit the Filters window, and that's it. You've successfully fixed the washed out colors in your OBS recordings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.